I pick up Zoraida's daughter, the garbage can. So winter. Is this the night? No. It's a midnight. It's the middle of the night. It's been cold, a winter solstice. Solstice? You mean so winter solstice on that time is too cold. And I hear someone crying. I'm going somewhere that time. Maybe I'm going to to meet a Russian queen in her tiny house where she live, because she don't like to live with the Russians in the palace with them that don't fucking care in who is in authority. And this queen talked to me in the brainwave, says, "Oh, my poor child, my poor child." It's like a feeling, a mild stroke when you use your what? Your hand? No, it's not like that. The feelings of heart and emptiness when you see your child alone in the winter night, solstice night, in the garbage can. Who can save you? Who can get you to that poor situations? Oh yeah, I see someone coming in his old car. What? Maybe it's too far? Oh, never mind this guy, but please get my child on the garbage can. She's alone and she's freezing in the cold winter solstice night. Oh, I said, I will go there. Even you didn't tell me, because I saw her crying. She have a beautiful heart. Even they throw her away in the garbage can, she didn't hurt. Her feelings just normal. Her feeling is just right. She didn't get angry, and I like that. That's what I like in a girl, in female, in a lady. Ladybug? No, she's not a bug. She's not even she's not ugly. Even her scale is high. And she said they throw her away because what? They don't know who she is. She is the daughter of the queen. Oh, maybe it's a Plim. Queen? SIM that put on the cell phone to make it works. Like her brain is too wise. And I saw it. It's fast. Even they treat her like dust. Oh yeah, humans came from dust. How proud he is. Let's talk about Adan first before we go to the story of who is the daughter of Zoraida that throw away in the garbage can. Adan They think she can do everything when she eat the fruit of life. She just a mere human who never have his own identity, never have his own validity, or she never become a leader in a community, or even in his own family. And what? She is so wise. Why? Because Yasi Pressman love him? Creator? You may be yes, but she never make him husband. Why? He not deserving to become a husband. Why this queen of Highland make him husband? No, it's not. Maybe he just think that. But no female like to become a wife of that mere human. If he didn't eat the fruits and follow Eve, maybe he can stand. Maybe now he is a king. Maybe he's Elohim now, because that's his levels. His levels, because the female do that, and female came from him. He never think about things that make him on the pedestal. Oh, it's not pedestal. What he likes in the morning and coffee and smoke after. Yeah, he is my uncle in the physical. And so what? It's not a mutual understanding. When he grabbed me in the neck and grabbed me and pull me. What's mutual understanding on that? And he think he is wise enough. He fucking wise enough to understand everything, like you want to get everything from who? From the Prince of Opal, who read all the books on earth, who read all the books on the universe, who read all the books on name it, who use all the drugs that everyone used, name it, who used every weed that everyone used, name it. And then he think that he is one who can get everything from him. He is not fucking ignorant like you, fucking Adan. And he think he can get everything from him. So right, this night will be a good night when you try to get everything from him. Oh, let's go back to the topic. Let's get back to the topic. Who is the daughter of Zoraida? That throw in the garbage can. The Russian king command the Russian soldier to throw her, because they saw her in the palace, in her room, and she said, oh, this is the room of my mother. This is the palace of my mother. No, I am the new king now. Who's your mother? They don't know who is Queen Zoraida is. And fuck them. Like, you is citizen of Russia. You is living in Russia. You don't know who is the authority. And they throw her away in the garbage can and kick her in the ass. And the Prince of Opal, the king of Mongolia, come with his car and said, "What you are doing there, beautiful lady?" And she just smiled in her brain, in her teeth, in her mouth, in her whole being, and she said, "Who the hell is calling me beautiful?" And they throw me away in the garbage can because they said I'm ugly. And I said, "No, come here. You don't want to come here, I'll carry you." And I get her in the garbage can. I carry her. I put her in the car. And we go back in Mongolia. And I said to my wife, "Queen, I bring someone with me. Are you angry?" "Who she is?" I said, "Russians throw away her in the garbage can. She is the daughter of the queen." And she said, "That's alright. I know you are not a mere boy, a mere ignorant guy who like Adan. Don't know what is Plim. I know what is Plim. That's why I get her. Like Plim, you will gain someday. You will gain. It will return back to you good, like good luck." And then yes, it's alright. And then I give her a room to live. And then she not go out in her room 7 fucking days. Oh, not 7, 7.5. Like my height, 7.5. Getting the ball in those 7'2" height. How can I get the rebound in the 7'2" height? And they said, "Oh, you're cheating." I said, why you see that I'm jump and I get the ball? Why I'm cheating? "Because your height is more than higher than heaven." I said, "I'm just 5'7", 7.5 my height." And those like who dunk the ball, and I burst the dunk on the ball, and I get the ball from him, and I can block. And I said, "Oh, you just 7.5, really?" And I said, "Yes." "And how can you do that?" I said, it's timing, because the time is important. I'm a vet now. It's just I'm wasting time, but no, I'm always with my time. I'm always on time. I'm always on fucking time. I'll never be late. I'll never be early. Like when I get this queen daughter on the garbage can and get her what? Her what? You know, like it's good to be a good to others, and you know, climb, and the time will come you will earn the good things. And you know, now I have a beautiful daughter to her. I have a sportsman's son to her, and have wise a lawyer's mind to her. I have 3 siblings already to her, and she's so like fair. She's like on the streaming apps, showing her beauty to everyone who said, "Fucking she's mine, fucking she's mine, fucking she's mine." Before you meet her, you see her, you've been watching her, man, she's been with me. And she is go to me. But she don't like in the first, because who are you? She think like that. I'm not ignorant like that, so who are you? I said, I'm here because I'm just make an excuse. I make um my reason. I have a reason. I reason out. So your mom want to get you just in the brainwaves, because I try to practice my brainwaves just in the brainwaves, and she received that. And she come to me, and 7 days. Oh, no, not 7. 7.5. 7.5 is my height. And you playing like that, you know what? He's the first to become happy when I become basketball player. And his son, he said, son, he tell to her son, even you not shot the ball, but please don't miss. Don't fucking miss like your dad. And I said, miss like I miss you. Miss like miss that they call you. But I said, my love is for you, and it will never change. It will never ever change. I always remember the day, the midnight, that I pick you up in the garbage can.